My ultimate steamed wild Alaskan salmon is easy to make. All right, when you get a slight little smoke coming off top of the spices, they're ready to go. And what we're gonna do is take our fennel, our coriander seed, and we're gonna put this into a coffee grinder because they make fantastic spice mixes, right? It's because we're replacing a lot of fat with a lot of flavor, so we're gonna kick it off with our spice mix. All right, so I've got fennel and coriander. Give it a little shake. All right, check this out. This aroma is killer. Look at that, beautiful. All right, so we're gonna take our new spice mix here. And we're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt, also some fresh cracked pepper. So we got fennel, we got coriander, we got some salt. And this is gonna be the seasoning mix we're gonna season our couscous with. I'm gonna show you that in a second. We're also gonna season our salmon with. So give us a little twist. All right, we're ready to go. It smells absolutely delicious. All right, so we got that. Now let's talk about our couscous. All right, couscous, right? Everybody thinks that couscous is like a grain. It's not a grain at all. It's actually a semolina pasta, so it cooks really fast. So we're gonna take our couscous and we're gonna put it into a bowl here. But what we wanna do is go ahead and season it so it tastes really good. So we're gonna take a nice big heaping handful of our seasoning mix, kind of give that a stir, and then we're gonna take lemon zest, right, and just kind of take off big fat strips of this stuff. You just want the bright yellow bits. That's where all the essential oil lives. All right, the white pith is bitter and angry. It doesn't taste very good. All right, lemon zest, and then we're gonna hit it with some fresh cilantro. I got some herbs back here. All right, nice little handful. We're just gonna hand tear this stuff and kind of throw it right in, stems and everything. Then we're also gonna hit with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So we create kind of a paste out of this so it holds its shape in our parchment bundles that we're about to make. All right, a little bit of olive oil. And take a spoon, just give it a nice little toss. All right, and then that is good to go. Okay, so we got that. Now I've also got some salmon and we got some mussels in the fridge. Okay, we've got these beautiful mussels. These are Prince Edward Island mussels, all right, from Nova Scotia. They have a fresh oceany flavor, and they're gonna be gorgeous. So we got these guys, and we've also got some wild Alaskan salmon. And we've got 4 6-ounce fillets that we're gonna use. All right, so we got these guys, and then we can't forget about our stock in an ice cube tray. And this is it. It's a whole little setup, guys. Light and healthy, we're gonna steam this. We're gonna steam the fish with the mussels and the couscous using the frozen stock. Once we throw it in the oven, it's gonna start to melt, and we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. You with me so far? You got it? All right, cool. So let me show you how to put these together. So we got 1 big piece of parchment paper. Scoop 3 big tablespoons of couscous, a little off center. Then the mussels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 little frozen block of flavor right there. We're gonna drop that right in the middle, okay? And when it starts to melt, it's gonna cook the couscous and cook the fish all at the same time. Fish, right on top. A little bit of our seasoning mix. We're gonna cut our lemon open. Give it a nice little squeeze. Take this end of the paper and kind of fold it over from one end to the other. You wanna flip and fold all the way around so it looks almost like a big, gigantic capital D on our half moon, okay? Bang. Salmon, looks fantastic. Okay, so I got 1. I'm gonna bang out the other 3, and then we're gonna get them in the oven. I like it. Nice job. I've got 2 sheet pans in the oven right now, and the oven is on 350 degrees. We want them to be nice and warm because we want to start to melt the ice cubes down immediately, right? So I'm gonna take these guys, they're kind of hot, you wanna be careful, all right? And we're gonna stack them up on each other so I can make some room here. All right, perfect. Okay, so we got 2 pouches, 1 pouch, 2 pouch, a little bit of olive oil on top so the paper doesn't burn right away. And this is gonna go into the oven, 350 degrees for like 20 to 25 minutes. The tops of these guys are gonna be completely kind of cooked and brown and really kind of golden looking. They're gonna smell absolutely delicious. And the fish is gonna be just cooked, okay? Maybe even a little pink in the middle. All right, pouch, olive oil, All right, cool. Get these guys in the oven. Come on, it's a cool presentation. All right, check this out. We got these guys in the oven right here, cooking away, sizzling, searing, steaming, all that fun stuff. All right, we got 4 portions hooked up right here, guys. Sounds absolutely delicious. Parchment paper couscous, Prince Edward Island mussels. We did a kind of a real cool thing with a frozen ice cube made of chicken stock. Very little fat, tons and tons and tons of flavor. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? All right, we've got some beautiful curry butter that we made, okay? Curry butter, we're gonna put it on where it counts, right at the last minute. We'll let that kind of melt. It's gonna create like a beautiful little sauce right at the very bottom, all right? Cilantro, green onions, who loves you? All right, if you're looking to save some calories, check out these recipes, download them, make them for your family and friends.